Jen.
Might as well stand
I
up.
got. Okay.
Come on.
Oh, guys.
It's not letting me take it.
This
Jesse.
is so much fun.
Wait. There. It didn't even.
Oh, God.
It's blurry.
Ready?
I guess.
Reach a little bit. And just take a big deep breath for me. Well, that's a good picture right there. If you want to take a picture.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. My heart skipped a couple beats.
Squeeze the jewelry in there and you'll be all okay. You had your nose pierced before?
No.
First time.
That's it.
Yay.
I'm not bleeding yet.
Yet.
Oh, it's so cute.
I feel like coming down my nerves.
Well,
Oh, you're
there it comes.
bleeding.
There comes the blood.
Reagan.
I bled. That's what she was counting on.
She was a bleeder. Only about half the people bleed. And a 50-50 shot of it bleeding and not bleeding. It's never much blood. Always a positive.
Do you want to or just leave